CMT cold metal. Transfer technology innovates on short-circuit transitions in welding. The arc ignites. The welding wire moves, forming a molten droplet short circuit. The wire then reverses, retracting with minimal current and voltage. Afterward, the wire advances, restarting the molten droplet transition. This high-frequency motion, up to 70 Hz, showcases CMT's unique and efficient welding traits. CMT is a highly precise welding technique. With precise robotic welding hands, it achieves accurate and reliable welding in complex corners, edges, and curved contours. Its fine control makes CMT suitable for industrial applications, requiring high-quality welding, ensuring consistency and strength in weld seams. XD Thermal has implemented an automated CMT welding station, utilizing smart control for automatic welding procedures. It focuses on welding battery thermal management components, like liquid cooling plates and battery trays. The components are loaded and rotated on the platform, ensuring a flexible and efficient welding process. This advanced setup boosts production efficiency, reduces the risk of human errors, and ensures high-quality, consistent welding.